Even esenza number 2 uzangena etoilet spend the same amount of time ephume senukelele. But yazi with amajita you would know ukuthi karesi umphume uyechema. Cause uyakwazi umphume mayechema uzahamba 2 minutes ephendukile. But mayenza number 2 umphume ngahamba sengangaphenduki.
Shone welele vele and ne ayichika yena steering bafethu uDreva kekho eyasifayela thina lisondela ukuthi silitshela ukuthi silithengela amadatha edola.
No basondela ukuthi sikhulume iqiniso.
Yes athina sichange siphela sifihla umpheni le this and that podcast
la lokho guys.
asincenge umuntu ngaze usondele ngokwakho labangina nje phela. Otherwise khamba kanjani Nicola?
Angisharp.
How was your weekend, bro?
Weekend village.
Yeah. And I want to say something, Nicola. I've got a problem with talent. With talent ever since wasuke Mpophoma yahlala emayadini guys, isingisi. Even la khona apha behind the scenes, ayisingisi ade sikhuluma member lo. Damn.
Guys.
Ayisingisi sakho Nicola is too much.
I mean yazi ukuthi idatha ngalalihluphi so amabhangli sesingisi. Asithenga idatha ledola phela on the other side.
So thina ngabe sithenga amadatha edola yithi nje esingisi engathi siyahlupha kancane.
No guys, you know not that but kulabantu abasela ma Starlink ngali you know.
Yeah, ama Starlink nje asekasimanengi kakhulu. Yeah, $5 uya connect inyanga yonke so sesifana guys. If uvele eKasi uvela ngaphi loBhengule eMakhoba long le Starlink lawo le internet manje phela.
Yeah. Sure guys, bonke abarespondile ayilo Bhengule Impumulele. I saw ama post enyu lama comments enyu guys.
Yeah.
Shout out to Bhengula guys. Shout out to Bhengula guys.
Vele cheke eKasi vele
thina kusalayo lilokishi.
Lilokishi vile ayisozijika ila steering nduna lilokishi and futhi into engisethaya ngibona namhlanje ugqoke green yabo.
Even the producers were complaining.
Yeah. But guys yazi utalent ebesithini twa igreen akumelanga nje uyigqoka ungana ula skin tone esinjani how true is
it's not only green, you know. I know you guys will agree with me. Akuso green kuphela kulamanye ama colors, you know. Kunzima like on my way here ngene town ngichayisane labanye amapantsula la agqoka izicathulo ezilime. Shout out to amapantsula guys.
Yes, uthi amapantsula but sesikhuluma
izicathulo ezigreen.
Sesikhuluma ngama colors comparing with the skin tone sakho ngizwe sithi ma umuntu ongani umnyama ongani unsundu njengami akumelanga ugqoke live anti into eyikhulumile
sifuku unishayisa.
But mina vele I have a problem ngamajita wona la ama yellow bone ufila njani umlenzi wakho ubomvu udlula kaChero wakho like seriously talent cabanga selilele sogqoka ishoti njengami umlenzi wakho ubomvu udlula kaChero wakho like seriously. Sakuthiwa igreen KB igreen akumelanga uthi ungathi umnyama kumbe ugqoka iorange ufuna into abantu abangama yellow bone. Nicola middle finger.
Okay, you win. You win.
Sorry ni majita ama yellow bone but lingo sisiput.
Come on. Dude. Sisibhuti Chero wakho
indoda mele bemnyama ndoda.
But sisibhuti Chero wakho inbox yakhe.
Ngcono wethu uthi Chero wami ukwezi vele hlube kwazi ukuthi ulamanga. Umama vele kuma inbox yenu vele angeke umthole. Shout out to you mama.
Mina ngithe uChero wakho ngiyaku expose.
Madoda nang.
Expose.
I don't expose me abantu abaningi babe ngikhangele so but into engigcwaliselayo Nicola hayi le t-shirt yakho yazikhulumela all right mawuli yellow bone lelo khuzeni le t-shirt yakho.
T-shirt le ayikho sharp. I'm fit.
The only lapel nanti Jake, lo uyangizwa ngithi Jake. Jake ayijika la
Jake is a brand. I won't argue with that.
Into ngeke uyithole ebheleni.
Jake. Okay. Ngiyasukuma la. Uyasala senza izinto.
Sorry Jake, sorry Nikala. Sorry but yabona Jake. Athi mina mawufusukuma yasala ngizikhulumela ngiwanda. Nandi.
Okay. Anyways,
what's up today, Nikala? Umphatheleni nje.
As the weekend, even late.
What was going on, bro?
Was it Friday, Saturday, Friday? Ngishela ama-errands ami. I meet with these Harare guys. But he give me, bra, cela usuke. Phela sike sabona i-podcast yakho, what, you know. Damn, bro. I'm like, okay, guys, it's not a problem. One phone call, 7 chicks were on the spot. Ngiyakutshela, but those guys lied to me. Guys, ama-Hararians, libananzelele. Those guys lied to me.
Batheni babekuthembiseni wena personal.
They were broke.
Damn.
They're tarnishing my name as a pimp. I'm still trying to grow in this industry, you see.
Guys, this nigga. So batheni nduna babekuthembiseni bathani beliye ngapha actually.
No, you know they're like, nah, you know what? Just let BNB that pan out. I'm like, okay, nah, it's fine. It's cool. You know, mina njani? Ngabiza isitoko mina njengoba vele njani i-store mihlala igcwele ngabiza isitoko sabuya went to the BNB bra
abantu abafika bangathenga utshwala kumbe wathenga ama-turkeys athala bo-cherry banatha khona
yazi basithengele ongamajemason okuyi-2 I'm like, okay ngicheckile ngithi maybe this is a start, you know, these guys are gonna keep going up, you know. You know, Cherry, but what's up, man? You know, it's a BNP ngela la TV. Like, what the fuck?
Bile kuyiphi BNP?
Bro, ukuthi umuntu la ayebesazama ukukhula so ngavele ngikhuluma ukuthi besinga.
Ndoda lapha sinceke umuntu baba, lapha siyasineke umuntu.
Business, but there's another BNP in Hillside. Dude.
Lo ngiyomngani wakho.
No.
How my
bro BNP yabadinga mina nanhlane labo sebevele bethi bro mina ngawuthingela iBNP wona ngeke ufuna ukubuyela endlini, you know,
la ngiyakuzwa
ngeke ufuna ukubuyela endlini, you know, iBNP nje uyabona amasofa la ngcono la
ngitshela
yabona amasofa ahlaliswe meeting lana ama boardroom angana njani yeah bro, that kind of stuff they akula TV but the speaker boxes I'm like
yeah
these guys wakali, like the girls are like, my guy, what is this, give me bata, no, don't worry thina vele njani sifuna isitoko sesinacha amajita what but then I was disappointed. The Hararians disappointed me. I don't want to lie.
Yeah. La ngihle ngikwenzele izinto zibe simple nje kan. Kule chatbot yakwabulawayo guide yabo. La u check it out iza kudirecta to izinto ezintswempu. Not ukuthi ubuphombo uthatha usema BNP lapho uyafika uhlala khona ebenchini.
You know thina mina ochomda abananthemba bona azanza amfeso wangu sathi izinto zesochibobo zesezilipo you know, giving me that Harare talk. I'm like, okay, this looks like this looks like a legit deal, you know. I'm like, okay, it's fine, guys, you know, me, I'm gonna get you what you want, you know, but you just gotta make sure that the boy is well taken care of.
Yeah,
you know, all those things, blah blah blah. They were like, no, cool bro. I'm like, fine, okay. I used my fuel, you know, just going get the ladies and all that. I'm like, later on, I'm like, bro, you just bring me into a BNP. There are no snacks. There's no food. The fridge isn't working. I'm like,
lina phela ufale ukuthi ngabe lizihambele komalaba. Alizihambele komalaba Jake ikasi yabo. Jake, at least kale inyama cheap.
No, lapha vele besekasi. And I'm checking the time, bro. It's only 10. And the ladies are like, bro, you know what? Let's go out.
Kodwa otherwise, mina vele I don't know nika lami. Yabona personally, actually I'm not feeling this December vibe. Yazi uDecember lo, yes, sithe singena. December makunyiwe baba. But ish.
Ulabangani abangogweja.
Nah, hey.
Maybe that's why you're not feeling the vibe.
Ay, dog.
feeling the
It's not only me, bro. Ngena check town, bro. Khangela ukuthi kunjani nje like vele check uDecember lo angazi guys. Maybe yimi ngedwa wathothwathi but I know unandi yazenzela nxa ule mali nothothwa but
stupid guys, especially uwomalaba khona ngalo kukhulunywa ngumpume. Yiwapha amanye ama-gross aselobhengula. Kulama-double punch, I think it's $4 for 4 now.
Double punch isakhona yini la bro?
Angikwazi phela mina.
But anyways, nje ungacabangeli checkers abantu bachaya injengo nje. Uyafika khophana emamkhwanazi ubona umuntu ezishayile yeGameister nje. It's not surprising.
yeGameister zingoma.
Eish. Do you agree, girls? Especially in amankazana athandi yeGameister zingoma, like seriously.
Give us your comments, like on a serious note, give us your comments. yeGameister ingoma. Zingoma, you unganathi yeGameister, you won't wake up the next morning. All right.
Mina ngothi vela I'm not into hot stuff.
I would never get into a club or get into a liquor store and buy yeGameister. And there is that yeGameister 2.0 echiphile yangikhona.
Liana
what
elomvundla. So yeah, Liana I saw yeGameister Liana.
It's a replication of a yeGameister. Kufana nalo Enzo lo Ma9.
This is the worst comparison ever.
Enzo yeGameister. No, because that mvundla thing, and it's a translation to yeGameister.
Sorry, Ma9, but remember, uyakusayiza nje.
No, I've said this from day one. I'm a big fan of Ma9.
Yeah.
But you can never translate someone's song like.
Whoa, nalapho all right. So yeah, understand luthaleni. Ma9 waphambanisa nje kuphela chero yakho lacholiwe but kodwa ibe blind okudluleka Enzo nje. Dala bemlobolile. Hey, it's fine but kodwa yeGameister.
No. Ibe blind ukudluleka Enzo nga.
Ngaphi njani? What do you mean mawusithi nga?
Wabona itrack lika Enzo lathi liphuma lelia. Every street. Eka Ma9 mina honestly speaking and angaze ngizwe ku radio number 1. Angaze ngizwe chaya even ekhombini number 2. Eka Ma9, if I didn't go to that show, probably I wouldn't have known that song.
Eish, mswele lo uthi ngakudefenda nithini nigalampa tha anyways.
And I'm not the only one.
It's fine but comparison yakho liyana nduna yamani. Eish.
No, Liana, as long as yeGameister, Liana, guys, ingoma, you all know yeGameister.
Yakunathi yini ingoma?
No.
So how do you know ukuthi ingoma?
No, angaze ngizwe.
Ucheri bayincane into Liana bra, ungangena nje uphoma ukuthi yeGameister.
So ngochero nathi yeGameister liphara siyavumelana.
But anyways, kuyafanana nduna yabona nani into mina engayitsho ndunami ukuthi especially abanye abochera abaningi ungafaka yeGameister ufaka strawberry lips lapha ungathi iAmazon
no but I'm still trying to think. I mean Amarula strawberry lips adala ngacina ubona kuthengwa kusathengwa konke
yeah ePalace kusathengwa
well shout out to Palace. Palace.
Yeah, but kusathengwa nje but la ngacina kudala I think ngacina ukubona umuntu ethenga strawberry lips emaphisa. Like seriously bro. Yeah. Akare singathini nje.
Okay. But I'll tell you ngeke ngahamba eMaswingo. There's this club, I forget the name. A club Liana ungathenga iGilbert's gin. Liana I think it's $6 a liquor supplies. Uyahlala ku VIP. No, I'm telling you, Gilbert's there. It's the thing.
emaswingo ziri boyere ziri kufana Gilberts
No.
because mana ngitshela yazi mina before when I was eLupanda phana estate and lamachita ami yazi sasikubiza sithi yini Gilberts sasithi ngumkhoba.
Yeah, you know, poison.
Sasithi ngumkhoba because che lokhana even ngazufake yiphi dash still uyabusizwa angazi
No, but you know what? Mina personally, I used to love gin.
Igin mina ngiyezonda akufana especially the worst gin okuthiwa vele angeke ngifuna lokho iGordons bra. Gordons yo. Which gin ke wena alright you used to love gin iphi gin oyithenga ngaphandle kwe Gilbert?
Angangisahlala eMpophoma so you imagine.
So waqina ke Gilbert.
I'll drink Gilberts. Ngama-days angikhona kwakule. This is about, guys, just so you know, this is about 7-8 years ago. 7-8 years ago.
Ulamanga uphume eMpophoma.
This is about 7-8 years
ago.
It's been 5 years now.
Nangamanga.
No, it's been 5.
Nangamanga
I'm telling you.
Guys, I'm exposed to talent.
It's been
talent.
It's been 5. But let me continue. Let me tell you. Ngama-days angikhona 7-8 years ago. Kwakule Gilberts. Gilberts was a bit expensive by those days. So
Whitestone.
Yeah, Whitestone was the thing too before it introduced to those color things.
Isn't that chile?
And then they were look vela won't I saw him fish guys ngaba lipara. Yeah, you should know that.
The best.
I was gonna get the best yakaba la pela ngani creamish and
lokhana no chayisa ngekhanda.
Best gin. I'll never forget that gin, bro. I have memories with that thing.
I mean, best thing I prefer whiskey. Seriously, because lokana ku white, lokana ish dog.
Nah, but that was 7 years ago, guys. But nowadays I don't drink anything white. I don't drink into ezimhlophe, guys. Ngama poison. If you are drinking gin, if you are drinking vodka, if you are drinking
tequila, breakers ngambona mina emathonisa guys. Wayechale breakers le skippers. Achayisana la mina talent live.
Breakers. Skippers.
Azange nathi breakers.
Nah, angizange dude. Those are spirits.
Che. Alright.
Lana ma spirit. But anyway, guys, in your comment section, please tell us the best bottle that you love and all that. But if unatela nalami, you might be lucky, you know, call you for some drinks and so forth.
You know, ethenga resma ungabizo cherwa ko den talent.
Na uchero nganathi.
No, not Cherwak as such as the company yakho as a pimp. Phela wena you pimp bra.
No, mina.
So unkaresi ngathi okay talent. Ngibizelebo cherla then mina all the drinks are on me bra. Uyipha ama drinks ongathi mpumbe ngicela order lokho la lokho.
Hennessy?
Which one? Hennessy.
VOSP.
Hey ndoda. Lapha ndezi ukuthi ukhuluma manga.
Ngau broke. I'm pretty sure my girls can settle for me and my girls, you know. Can settle.
Our girls got talent. One day and lapha ku this and that ngizalibiza just one or two kuphela just uze si expose le. You.
If ngau broke, we don't mind. We can settle for what do you call it? Very special Hennessy and cheap the cheapest one. But mawushayile manje. And there's being broke look shayega.
Okay.
Things. You know, we can do with the Jameson like those Harare guys.
All right.
So forth.
Okay, another question that ngifuna yona vele which is still lingering on my mind. Mawuthi your girls, Jay, awuntshela specific girl. Ama girls akho avela on which side of iZimbabwe or koBulawayo? Oh, all right, avela nga. Ephumula ngale kumbe avela ngapha kumalodi set suburbs. All right. Ungagamba manga asenze so. From go-chair bakho bavela kubo Lobhengola, Phumula, Magwege, what. Mawufike eBhawu bathengelana.
No, ocheri labana ba expensive mawufike eBhawu.
Yeah. Wazwa khuluma iqiniso Jay.
No, but expensive in the sense yokuthi, you know,
the demands izinto abazifunayo.
It's not their everyday thing.
Yeah man.
Because our other side of the town, it's the everyday thing.
So
You know what, we're gonna do ciders. They're okay.
they're okay.
You know.
So labana babefunani che.
I told you, uyangena lo muntu ebhawutshe ukuthi ufuna i very special, i Hennessy, ufuna i Veuve or ufuna i Glen 18.
Girls basekas.
Ufuna bafuna i Astropez. Hamba ko Samri ubabone babegcwele ku VIP lapha. Babe natha those expensive shit.
Hayi, labana babe ku VIP, I understand. Babe hlezi with those kind of guys.
Exactly. You got to utshela khona ukuthi it's not their everyday thing.
Yeah, but
because
they're trying to
my VSP unata every day njengami, like, you know, get a shot in the morning and so forth, you know. Ngaze ngene bar, I can get myself a beer because I know ukuthi imbodlela but nxa wena ungayijayelanga mphume ngifike lapha nebar ngithi sithengani ngibuye le Glen 18 la. I remember this day.
Vela ngihluphi nje mina mfika nje ebar ngizodela iHeineken yami straight and forward.
Yeah, and amajita ahluphi amajita ukuhlupha bona labo sisibeni.
Yeah, but guys, kodwa mina vele I want to ask, why amankazana eKasi especially lingangena town or somewhere selihambise izinto ezintswempu lifuna ukuzenza ngani lani lentswempu? Hey.
Guys, it's not me.
But on a serious note, yekelani ukuthi lifike li-order izinto vele elingazijayelanga. Last time ngangikhuluma ngama fork and knife. Qina ngespoon mntwana. Qina ngespoon ungaziyangisi. Omunye uyaqina umbona
sechoko. But it's not a bad thing to try something new.
Yes, try something new. Ungayenze ngathi uyayazi. Try something new.
Yeah, but you know, you need to blend in. Last time when you're talking about fork and knives, we talked about the thing, they need to blend in.
I skin walker in trying to blend in. Guys, hey.
Ngiyazama mantombazana, ngiyazama, but this guy is not giving me a chance.
Into ejayeleyo if uthi ungwesavana, isavana sharp. If ungwelokhuzeni, at least la
ungwe brutal fruit.
Ngena ku brutal fruit.
Kat makazana, can you please comment on this? Ngicela uma comments ngicela nje why lingasanathi yantazi?
Yeah, why? Yeah.
Why lingasanathi yantazi?
Yantazi abantwana beKasi. Hey guys, nathanini hunters sharp. Cause ngasufika ngale usufuna la thayini la lezi zamaglassini lezi aphela bayazi into zakhona ama cocktails zakhona babekwazi ukuthi i-cocktail, but ukuthi what kind of cocktail?
I remember
that ngifuna i-cocktail, which one?
I remember this thing ngo Samrio and these guys, other guys ngihamba lawo bathenga ama Veuve angu 2 kwabuya amanye amankazana. I tell you, imbodlela lena mina ngibona ngitshaya ngapi guys.
Lingatshontsha utshwala.
No, abawutshontshanga.
Base beyiqedile very fast. Mina kulabanye nduna ukuthi uyabukwazi ukuthi besithenga amabhodlela ngathatha uthi uyathola ibhodlela lengasekho eliyi-1. Especially laba abathola ama pairs lawana.
Ngabe kasa. I'm just asking. Abangena
ko Samrio.
No, ko Samrio goes everyone, bruh. From east to western suburbs, everyone uyahamba ko Samrio. Everyone.
Yeah, that's you why. Know. But kulabe luVeuve, ngibe ngikhuluma ngawo.
My luVeuve girls liyamuzwa yini uChamilo?
Hayi beluVeuve.
Liyamuzwa yini uChamilo ukuthi yasukela.
Akadingila transport mayesuka lapha. Usuke ngene esendlini vele sefikile. Yes. Okay. So yeah, but anyways, yeah, I appreciate you girls from eKasi.
Yeah,
trying to stand out.
I appreciate guys and libahle guys, libahle. I tell you, bro,
yeah,
some of
yeah, yazina enye into futhi athi ngithi nizabapika ngayo. Akula abantu abageza nje abo Cherry beKasi. Cherry beKasi they make sure ukuthi bageza, bro. Yeah.
Should I comment?
Comment uzwe ukuthi uthini. Abo-Cherry beKasi nje bayageza nje.
Amanzi ahlale khona.
Ndoda. Kanje buya ngeFriday kuphela, abanye buya ngeMonday kuphela, ahamba iviki yonke.
Amabhakede yayo ekhona yena namanzi.
Yeah, abekhona nje kuhlala kufiliwe nje. Kuhlala kufiliwe. Ikho ngithi yeah bazama ukugeza, liyageza liyabulala kahle.
Ah liyageza guys libahle especially
bageza 3 seconds. Phela Yawazi why ngisitsho njalo. Ocherry bekasi even ungathi ocherry even lamajita. Kulesaka elama orange lelana kumbe lamagwili.
Ngiyabona lelana
Kulelitshe.
lelitshe
Lokhuhla.
yeah.
Sebeza bala ama gloves. Ilana ama gloves lawana.
So ma la bathing gloves isako lidingenana.
Ndoda bakusebenzisa konke ikhona the bageza ndoda. Ikhona the babulala ngogeza. Konke ke bekukhona.
Babe ngcono njani kanti balala labo makanika.
They're just making sure. Alright, ngitshela ngocherry ovele eBenside or eKhilani or eKhumalo whatsoever ukuthi uMike uzosebenzisana. Just about a towel, bro.
They've got the bathing gloves, you know, and before they sleep, some of them, you know, they've got those tabs. You soak your bodies just to make sure that.
And
amathapha antekasakula ama-toilet lana asekhoneni ngale ayabele chamber. You know, so there's no need for me to spend 40 minutes in the toilet, spend 45 an hour at the toilet yenelele sokhile. Basoka phela.
Ezinanti asibuyele thina abantu njengami mina ngi old school bro. There's this thing engayizwayo and I'm sure most of you layazi. Nxa lingafundiswanga ngini especially lina bonke abangabosisi. Kumele ngaligezi why. Eish. Yaba lu club umntwana. Hey. Kumele ngagezi why thi uma umuntu ongucherry nje.
Manje kumele begezi.
Not why. I was thinking why.
Kumele begezi.
Ukuthi mawulala uyageza, mavuka uyageza, usuhamba uyageza.
But there's an interesting.
You know, buza abantu abadala bakwazi. Guys, asikholisi thina abantu abageza kakhulu. Kumele ibe lenhlabathi so nje abantu bemakhaya. Akazi ukuthi
you know what? Me and my yellow bone guys, I started on the other side, Mpume. Sifuna abantu abagezayo guys, please stand igezi every day, twice a day if it's possible. If amanzi ekhona, sicela nigezi.
Yeah, okay, uqathekile bra, but hey,
sicela nigezi.
You are limiting ubunandi guys. Hey.
But there's an interesting observation ekade ngiyenza nje ngisihlalele
that data analyst when it comes to those my pimp.
Nah,
yes.
Uyakwazi ukuthi you never know mawucherry siye toilet.
Yeah.
Even usepower, like you never know. Even angaze suke to your toilet. Whether you are in number 1 or number 2, you wouldn't know ukuthi besenzani. Because uzangena toilet esiya into number 1, uzahlala 10 minutes at ephuma gezi spray. You know, ocherry bahamba toilet bephume sebenukelele. It always confuses.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
even esiya into number 2, uzangena toilet, spend the same amount of time ephume senukelele. But yazi with amajita you would know ukuthi karesa umphume uyechema.
I got feel like true.
Because uyakwazi umphume mayechema uzahamba 2 minutes ephendukile. But mayenza number 2 umphume ngahamba sengangaphenduki. No, but on a live.
Yeah, but yeah, I really appreciate women. I love you girls. Wonke umuntu because izinto zabo check izi-formal check yabona into zabo zihlelekile check yabo into zakhona kumele behlale on point each and every time kumele elungisa le week ngale nxa le week because engagida kakhulu uyathola antu kube kulomzila la uthola usungaphi
yeah
so
maybe
kumele each and every minute ezibona sibukweni ukuthi on point
ama toilet ephalasa lama mirror.
I don't know vacherry yabona cause
emajiteni khona
amajiteni yabudingelana imirror guess fuck yes fuck yabudingelana.
No, I'm just asking ukuthi maybe
no I sembuza la when imirror yabudingelana toilet check ngimawuse bar
and you need to look clean.
Yeah, gays.
No, I'm not gay. I'm not. I hate gays for a fact. I hate gays, but I'm saying with mina personally, bra. Manje la uphuma uyiswitch.
Bra usukuzicheckile endlini nje proper and clean. Ngiyino inyabo usufuna ukuyichecka check.
Pume.
Ungathi Pume.
Pume, do you know
there's something wrong?
Do you know mouse udagiwe? Ungena toilet and then you do your business. Mawuphuma lapha. Uyabudagiwe. You look in the mirror and just trying to gain confidence. Angisuyani.
Bra. Yabona nani?
No, but
Well,
no,
I guess
no,
what-
no. Well, man. Let me ask
Yellow
you.
ball.
Have you when I was akukwenze khona?
Mina
Man, no, tell me, I was
mirror
akukwenze.
cheke ngiyibonayo
Eh.
not ukuthi A69 ebona TV most alright let's say uyakungena which one yasikhuluma ngayo people blind kuyabe kule mirror somehow even ungathi ngihamba ngetoilet uyaphoma ukuzicheck nje usotha isigcobo sakho so great not ukuthi literally you have to go to the toilet
No,
and check yourself out,
I'm not saying you're going to the toilet to go and check yourself
Aye,
out.
bruh.
You were going to the toilet to do your business.
so
On your way out.
usimo usufaka makeup
No, ofake makeup. Maybe alright, maybe uhlohlela iskipa phakathi kwelokhu zenini kwe-under here.
doesn't need a mirror
No, but you know when you're checking yourself, sungabona ukuthi apha lapha
yikho
ndipile
kade
la.
ngikhuluma ama-yellow bone ama-yellow bone ale problem
No.
No.
You know.
Aye. Yeah, but okay majensi liyahamba yini nina lezi-check ema-toilet emamireni faka ama-makeup
No, it's not like kulama makeup. Dude. Ama makeup. Afuke uyageza la mehlo la ubona ukuthi
wena chuthi uyathwala le lip gloss
come on, man.
serious uyabudingelani iyinika che
No, imiri iqhakathekile ndoda just to check yourself out.
endlini uphuma che kuthi wazotha grandest usuyintswempu suvala
So mina ngathola toilet yamachita kule mirror. I'm not allowed to use it. I'm not supposed to use it because I'm a guy.
angisho njalo che
Exactly,
you don't
babe.
necessarily have ukuthi sokumele kube ukuthi usuzakasoli ukuthi etoilet yamajita le why kungela mirror ususiya kuma
Anzange
why
ngisole.
toilet le why kungela mirror
No, anzange ngisole. I was asking mina ukuthi toilet ye palace kulama mirror.
and I
yini?
replied ngathi angaze ngene etoilet yabo chair
Yeah.
so I don't know what
Eyamajita ke. Exactly.
why vele why kwamele ube
No,
consent
because
nge- toilet
if
yamajita.
if kuyamachita kule mirror, obviously kuyabo cherry corn.
Guys ku comment section angazi ukuthi dilami noma lile nigga lami but hayi okay for this moment mana ngenze so it's okay ukuthi uhambe uyezicheck out guys la emireni angazi kumbe abugavile or something I don't know
Wawagavutshwala. Wawagavutshwala. Uyabunathandi kanti.
Hayi, but
Uyabunathi super power.
yeah usesikiki ini
Uyabunathi super power.
usesikiki ini
Yeah,
kokuthengisa
unathi
khona
super
iSuper but even though iSuper nje yabe kuyigava njani unless mawunathi isikado ishe kuthiwa yini lokho iCalabash endevini phela antu yakufaka umlomo phakathi amadoda lawana amadoda le ndevu
Lokhana phela ukuthola eclub lokho.
isikiki ini wayuthola
Ini club.
eish kanje sorry bese ngikhohliwe lapho winile nigalami akusiklap
Kuthiwa i-bottle store.
yeah ibody store yeah ungena khona ifana le mana imana I'm sure ungayitholi lokho uzenini
Uyakungena futhi emana.
angazi ngithe I'm sure ungayithola ngithe I'm sure ungayithola yeah but ngangangena ko Hamara emini ngisemphisiwe lapha ngisiyagada amabhasi ngake ngangena emini though ngase ngiphisiwe yi-toilet ke leseduzana
No stress, I understand you.
ngake
I
ngangena so
understand you.
lapha natholakala ama-calabash and shit
Yeah, but anyways guys, lizasitshela lini ukuthi linathani enimbe ngikhulumile mina ukuthi umuntu onatha engunathayo I might call you up for drinks guys.
Yes.
December.
Gilberts, iyabikhona.
No, I don't drink Gilberts anymore. Just so you know. I don't
Yeah,
drink
December.
any. Nxa ukwazi ukuthi unathi into eziyi-white guys, I'm sorry. You're disqualified. But silabo thambani yonke isempi yawasha abanatha konke noma yini uyakushaya iCalabash ekseni nani and so forth. Ukusharp lakho asikusoli as long the end goal ikudakwa ma chance.
one last question before siyenza chai uthini ngo-Cherokee papalazi
Cherokee papalazi.
ngotshwala is it okay guys do you guys liyakhipha yini ama-papalazi like let's say uhambe lawa endlini uzwe sesithi ufuna ukhipha ipapalazi like lilele linatha because mina I can't literally drink in the morning and I think it's weird no this is my own opinion this is my own point of view ufuna ukuzwe yakho
No, even me, I don't usually drink in the morning.
so
But
what if ungaba lo chero ufuna ukhipha ipapalazi ekuseni maybe sevuka sesiyavula ifridge yakho umbone sefuna ukhipha ibhili
nah,
it's fine
it's okay.
seriously
It's okay. It's
No,
cool.
breakfast.
You guys are cool with gays, so why are you not cool? Ngomuntu ofuna ukhipha ipapa 6.
ish
It's okay.
I'm not totally. I wouldn't appreciate Uchero keep it papalazi ngochwala. I don't know, guys. I need to
No,
get wrong and stuff.
guys, uchomi lo uyachacha.
I'm judge. It's my own
Uyachacha.
point of view.
Uyachacha, 'cause you-
alright, ngiyachacha vele ngiyachacha. Ngiyalichacha guys.
come
Lina
on.
keep it papalazi. Kumele lihle linathi black. Liyekele utshwala mali ufuna ukeep it papalazi ngochwala extend.
It's up to you. But anyways, guys, there's a what do you call that? That show. Egamawo, it's still making rounds.
Inda.
Social media is buzzing, and yesterday I was looking at this interview. Ega manager in Nexus.
Oh, all right.
It's Skies Metro FM. The guy was saying there were 1,500 people at Nexus, and things were bound to go wrong.
In what way?
I don't know. Everything just went wrong.
How?
Just
Can
went
please
wrong.
elaborate, bro.
Nah, artists being moved out of the VIP section and so forth.
Okay.
See,
What was his official statement? When you say things were bound to go wrong, I was like,
Yeah.
obesity.
No, you never see the artists are just being naive about some of the things because or which no he was carrying the papers out. Teti, this is the contract that we signed. I want my money. That kind of drama in front of people.
But okay, personally, and angisolely ilokhu zenini i-management ye-Nexus because bra awungeke check lithi lingama-artist andikazi ukuthi
No.
lokhu zenini.
No.
This is my own point. This is my own point. Angisho ukuthi njani. Personally, I believe khona kuyani ukuthi basuswa khopha. It's okay, check. Abantu labana check there bafuna imali. So kubuye abantu check who are going to pay for that shit. Yabo? Who are going to pay for that lokhu zenini?
No,
for
I
that
think
section? So wena
uh,
labo bona babefuna into zelokhu zenini zamahara compliments.
no, it's not. She's an artist.
Yeah, bro, but lapha mina ngidinga imali.
No, probably abantu bona laba afuna uzobahlalisa khonapha ngabantu bakhe. You know, those are her fans.
No,
You know,
no.
but anyways,
let me tell you the concept ukuthi ke kwenzakala njani. Onoluntu and stuff even ngazi uFebG but even like because wagcina se akazange perform wagcina se perform ekhoneni ngale labangani bakhe and shit.
Alright.
But sengikhulumela abantu labana babebuye like antu yazi ama artists babebuye labantu bakhe.
yeah, I think that was the main problem because Unoluntu was given seats, I think about 4, Yena and the other 3 of her guys of management or the friends. Unoluntu came with about 15 people, so I heard, and they all wanted to sit to VIP.
Plus abanye bayishit athi kwini ngo manager nje o manager bona baba manager ma artist vele nje how can you walk in the artist lakho at the same time?
Nah, I don't think I'm an artist ama managers.
Yeah, true. Ama manager is shit.
I'm an artist akobulawayo.
Yeah, manager kumele angene.
I'm sorry to say this, and you're gonna hate me for this. I don't give an F, but I'm an artist akobulawayo. They don't have managers, and they are so disorganized.
True. Because angeke ngisole mina management yeko Nexus and what other.
No, but honestly speaking, management in Nexus is fucked up.
Yeah, in some other way, but sesikhuluma on the business side. Bro.
Which business side?
Khona lokho ukuthi phela all right bona bayoseyenzelani inkani ukuthi be move on that out section.
No.
Abanye abantu who are going to pay. Actually pay for that shit.
No, the thing is when you invite me, Mpume, and you say I should do something at your event or at your show, and then I'm supposed to sit there. Let me sit there.
Oqala phela ukhumbula ukuthi you are not the main purpose official.
So why are you calling me? Exactly, Limbizelene. No, because trust me, uma ebengasoza perform from 9 to 4 a.m.
Yeah.
So that's it.
So now you have to understand your position.
Ukuthi mele ngiyohlala epoveni after performing.
After performing, yeah, and you performer chai pants at least. Performer chai pants.
Black artists are not that big to do that.
So ngokwakho phe. So ngokwakho.
No, but they deserve that. So how can they go big? How can they be celebrities?
Okay,
and if Tina as promoters or sponsors, we are treating them as shit.
On another episode, I'm sure I'm gonna have someone or a elaborator, someone maybe angazi ukuthi sisayenza njani
Nah.
certain gifts
Nah.
kodwa ezo elaborate
asifuni blow artist shit artist shit.
All right, but anyways guys, lebe kuyi this and that yabo. Namhlanje it was so much fun.
It was fun, guys.
Especially ngo December lo sinathi ama Gilbert lama Weston cause ngani ya board December lo.
December guys, just make sure ukuthi lo gweja wakho seduze so that ungabe le problem. And guys, hlala nigezile ama phone calls yangenisa anytime, especially to my girls.
Lingakhohlwa phela ngendaba zama tickets and
akhona.
Khona lapha ku Jungs Studios, this and that podcast is your boy KB Casanova, the locust ibombele xela abantwana angazi iphimpu lami.
Now it's your pimp talent. We out.
Sure, until next time.